Okay, so we're doing a sort of like a mythology spoof Jerry Springer type thing, so we really encourage audience participation. We have our lovely sign holder over there who will direct you to what you're supposed to do. Here we go. Welcome everyone to our show, where we expose what lies deep beneath the togas of famous Greek gods and heroes. First off, we have Dionysus, a god who really enjoys his wine. So, Hera, how do you feel that this drunken excuse for a god is the offspring of your husband?
I am so embarrassed. None of our legitimate children would have had drinking problems like this. This must be the genes of his mother, Semele.
So, Zeus' father, do you have anything to say about this?
Hera, trust me. It's a one-time thing. I will never fool around with a mortal again. I owe my heart truly to my wife, the queen of the gods and goddesses. You had every right to strike her down with my light.
One-time thing? Then how do you explain Heracles? If you didn't notice, I didn't confirm him either.
Zeus, you're sure to get yourself into some trouble here.
I mean, it's completely necessary. That Heracles would have slain the Nemean lion, or the Hydra, or captured Cerberus.
Any god could have done the same. There's no reason for me to go messing around with a mortal.
Zeus, while you're at it, are there any other women you'd like to tell Hera about?
I mean, I do suppose the married Bryce to famous Metis and Emerson, as well as, since we've been married, I believe, Leto and Maya, maybe a few of those again, particularly.
Do you even value our marriage? You've had more children with other women than with your own.
I mean, it's kind of hard being king of the gods. One can seem to resist.
God, I had no idea you were such a ladies' man. You really should have treated Mom better.
Actually, Hermes, I mean to tell you something.
What is it?
Have you told him yet?
What?
Hermes, your real mother is the nymph Maya.
Oh my God.
How dare you bring that slut on stage?
Alright, well that was awkward. Now here we have King Minos, who suspects that a child of his wife may in fact be from another man. King Minos, what has led you to believe that your wife may have been unfaithful?
Now, during my wife Pasiphae's pregnancy, she was off playing with other people, playing with animals. And, you know, when the child came out, he was horny.
I see. Well, let's bring out his wife and see what she has to say. Now, Pasiphae, your husband thinks you've been with another dude, and that your precious child, the Minotaur, is not his own. What do you have to say?
Well, I have always loved you, King Minos, and I've always been there for you. But sometimes, you just can't satisfy me the way that someone stronger and bigger could.
Getting high off those lotus flowers again.
Alright, settle down. Now we're going to bring up the DNA results and see who's really telling the truth. King Minos, you are not the father. In fact, the DNA was not from any man. It was from a bull, King Minos' own prized possession. Let's bring out the bull.
My wife, how did she do this to me? What am I going to do? You know what? You all will pay for this. Crete will pay for this.
Well, I guess whatever tickles your fancy, right? Alright, next we have Calypso, a goddess who wants to tell the wife of her former lover what really went on between them. Let's bring out Calypso. So, Calypso, what brings you to the show?
Well, I saved Odysseus from a shipwreck, and we had a really good thing going on. We were intimate. He would let me down on the beach every day. And then he would...
Alright, that's enough. Let's get to the point on Calypso.
He never told me he had a wife
Wow, that's low. Let's bring out this Greek hero and hear what he has to say.
Thank you. I just want to say that nothing this witch is saying is true. Our relationship is purely platonic, and she held me captive.
Odysseus, I have questions of us. I'm not God, Mother, and then.
Okay, I believe you. But geez, like, even Greek heroes can slip up once in a while. I'm only human, despite popular belief.
Well, Odysseus, that all sounds good. But we're going to bring out another lady now to the stage, a certain Circe, who says that you spend all year with her on the island Aea.
That's right. You haven't forgotten about me. We spent that long, amazing year together.
How could I forget?
And sleeping together.
Don't you feel bad about all your extramarital activities, Odysseus?
I mean, after all, I basically single-handedly won the Trojan War and beat up on cyclopes and some giants and six-headed monsters. I mean, I think I deserve to have a little fun. Besides, let's face it, after 20 years, Penelope is no hell of a Troy.
Uh-oh. Everyone, let's welcome his wife, Penelope.
Okay, how could you? After all those years of me worrying about you and unraveling burial shroud, I mean, we have a son, for God's sakes.
Well, come on, I'm Odysseus. Everybody loves me. Telemachus is any son of mine. He'll grow up to be just like his old man. Sure, agree.
Oh, so I get it. Greek men can go off and sleep with whoever they want, but Greek women are supposed to stay home and worry and voice